In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a member or accountant to Xero step by step. Whether you're bringing in a team member, a business partner, or your external accountant, giving the right access inside Xero is essential for smooth collaboration and secure financial management. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can set this up correctly in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account at xero.com. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see your organization name. Click on your organization name to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage users, features, and account configurations. Inside the settings page, look for the Users tile. Click on Users. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your Xero organization, along with their assigned roles and permissions. To add a new member or accountant, click on the Invite a User button. Xero will open a form where you can enter the new user's details. Start by entering their first name and last name, then type in their email address carefully. Make sure the email is correct because this is where the invitation will be sent. Next, you'll need to choose the appropriate permissions for this user. This step is very important. If you're adding an accountant, you'll typically select the advisor role, which gives them broader access to financial reports, reconciliations, and other accounting tools. If you're adding a team member, you can customize their access depending on what they need, such as invoice access, payroll access, or reports only. Take a moment to review the permission options to ensure you're granting the correct level of access without giving more control than necessary. You'll also see an option to add a personal message. This step is optional, but it's a good idea to include a short note letting them know why they're receiving the invitation and what they'll be responsible for inside Xero. Once everything looks good, click Send Invite. Xero will immediately send an email invitation to the user. They'll need to accept the invite and either log in or create a Xero account to gain access to your organization. After sending the invite, you'll be redirected back to the user's page, where you can monitor the invitation status. It will show as pending until the user accepts it. Now, once your member or accountant has access, they'll be able to navigate through the dashboard depending on the permissions you assigned. For example, they can click on your business bank account from the dashboard to view transactions, reconcile statements, or review financial activity if their role allows it. This is especially useful when working with accountants who need direct access to bank feeds and reconciliations. And that's it. That's how you add a member or accountant to Xero quickly and securely. As a quick reminder, always double-check user permissions before sending the invite to ensure your financial data stays protected while still giving your team the access they need. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.